What's up guys, TechNow review here, and this video is the third part for the question and answer session. We had already selected 10 questions from our comment section and also from the channel discussion, and we'll be answering those questions today. You can check out whether your question is here in this session or not. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first question has been asked by iPhone Boy, and he had asked in our video where we had shown you how to check and remove Pegasus spyware from infected iOS devices, and he had asked that please help me, the Lookout app is not letting me sign up when I put my email ID and password. It says the email ID and password do not match. That means you are not being able to sign up in the Lookout application. Okay, you can reinstall the Lookout app, and then you can try re-signing up for the account. And if it doesn't work, then try signing up from the Lookout website, navigating from your PC or Mac. That will really solve the problem you're facing. So the next question is by Mrinal Devgan. He had asked on the video how to fix Cydia Error, filled in buffer. So he had asked, I'm not been able to remove tweaks. Any help? Okay, so you are not being able to remove any tweaks from Cydia. Okay, Mrinal, I would like to tell you that I would have recommended you to use a Cydia tweak called Cydia 8, which is for iOS 8 jailbreak, but in this jailbreak for of iOS 9.3.3 it's not yet supported. So I would ask you to reboot your device and then re-jailbreak your device, and after that get into Cydia and try uninstalling tweaks. If it doesn't work, then you can get into the sources tab from here, and from the sources tab you just scroll down and try removing these sources. Byteyourapple.net. Some sources here might be faulty sources, and some faulty sources obviously create problems on the Cydia application. So you need to remove some sources like byteyourapple.net if you're having one, and also you need to remove Zot, TTD and MaxCity repository, as because some of the Cydia tweaks or some features of Cydia might not work when these repositories fails to perform in the application. So you need to remove these Cydia tweaks and then try to uninstall or remove the tweaks which you want to remove from Cydia, and then you can reinstall back those repositories which you had deleted. So I think after deleting the repositories it might fix your problem, and if it doesn't fixes your problem, then do comment. We'll be checking out for further solutions. Okay, so coming on to the third question is from Slay1. I'm sorry if I failed to pronounce your name correctly, but he had asked a question: iPhoneBox crashes when I start it. Okay, I think you're using iPhoneBox version 1.6 and you are running it on your Mac, as because version 1.6 of iPhoneBox doesn't support El Capitan. There is a problem. It is a problem on El Capitan and iPhoneBox 1.6 compatibility. So you need to search for version 1.5 and you need to install it, and then you can check out whether the problem still persists or not. I think it will work for sure, but there is another expert procedure. If you're familiar with terminal activities in Mac OS, then you can always try this, and this is an alternative method. If you want to stick to version 1.6, then there can be a temporary fix to this. You need to open terminal and navigate using the cd command, and you need to navigate into applications /iPhoneBox.app/contents/ Mac OS, and once you are inside this folder, you need to type ls. That means you need to list all the files inside that folder and make sure it lists only one file named as iPhoneBox. And if it lists only one file named as iPhoneBox, then copy the following command into terminal. This is the command. You need to copy this into the terminal. The command will also be down there in the description of this video. You need to copy and paste that terminal command into the terminal window, and you need to press enter. So after pressing enter, you can retry using version 1.6 of iPhoneBox on El Capitan. I hope that will fix the problem, but this can be a temporary fix, so better install version 1.5. that will be a permanent solution for your problem. So coming on to the next question, and this question is from KC2, and the user had asked, I see when the text preparing file system, then after it crashes. That means when you get into Cydia, it will show you preparing file system, and after that it will crash Cydia. Okay, so KC, you need to reset your device, then you need to re-jailbreak with the Pangu application, as because this is a problem and some users reported that they needed multiple tries before they got rid of the Cydia crashing thing. So first of all, you need to get into settings, and you need to get into general, and getting into general, scroll down until you get reset. So over here you need to reset network settings, keyboard settings, and everything. You need to reset all. We had installed a Cydia tweak called Mikoto, and it had disabled the reset all function from the reset menu. If you haven't installed that Cydia tweak, then over here you will see an option called reset all. So you need to tap on that, and it will reset all the settings and all other stuffs from your phone, but it won't erase any of your files or applications. It will just reset all the settings. So after resetting it to the default settings, it will automatically restart your device, and after restarting your device, all you need to do over here, you'll get the Pangu application. You need to get into the application, and you need to hit start, and after that tap on the power button, and it will re-jailbreak your device. So you need to re-jailbreak your device, and then you can get into the Cydia app, and after that I hope you won't face any problem. But if you aren't lucky in the first try, then try for a few times, it will fix the problem for sure. So the next question is from It's Legend ZZYT. Okay, he had asked, I'm getting an error called trying to override slash library mobile substrate dynamic libraries, please help me. Okay, so this is a problem, and for fixing this you need to have knowledge about SSHing your device to your computer. And if you don't have any knowledge on how to SSH connecting your device to PC or Mac, then you can get into the description. I'll put the link on how to SSH your computer, your device to your computer. So after SSHing your device to computer, you need to open terminal, and you need to SSH into your device with su alpine, and then you need to get into this directory. So mkdir /var/log/apt. So after that, from Cydia's installed packages, you need to remove this particular package, which is com.teiron.pphelp-erms. So you need to remove this particular package from the Cydia package option by SSHing your device into your computer, and then you need to reboot your device and re-jailbreak it with the Pangu application, and it will solve your problem for sure. So coming on to the next question is from Sohaib Tarhouni, and he had asked this question on how to fix audio problems in macOS Sierra. So he had asked, please provide the link of the Realtek Wi-Fi drivers you're using for your Wi-Fi USB dongle, and is it the same for El Capitan? Yeah man, it is the same for El Capitan. So still I'll put the link in the description. You can go ahead and download that from the description link. So coming on to our next question is from Rafiq Wood, and he had asked, when open terminal Windows, ask me password, after that operation complete, no question, and I have ALC 662. Okay, then you need to restart your Mac, and then you need to try again, as because the tool which I had provided in the description of that video, it works for any Realtek codecs. So guys, coming on to our next question, which is from Techie Dog, and he had asked, how can I fix the dimmed wallpaper on home screen? And he's running his device on iOS 10.0.1. Techie Dog, I would say that it's a problem with the iOS 10 system, as because it automatically applies a gradient. You can change it by getting into settings, okay, and getting into general, and then scroll down and get into accessibility, and over here you will see display accommodation. I don't have display accommodation over here, but you'll get it on iOS 10. So over there you need to get into display accommodation, and it has a slider below to reduce white point. So you need to reduce the white point and set it to 60%, and your wallpaper will be lighter. But I hope Apple will surely fix this problem in their next update. But for the time being, you can always fix this with the procedure I had told you. So coming on to our next question, it's from Yadro Hacks, and he had asked on a video which is install cracked application or games on iOS 10. Okay, and he had asked, help please, it say the identity used to sign the executable is no longer valid. Okay, so I think that means the app signature is invalid. The application which you're using or which you had downloaded from the website, the signature of that application is invalid. So you need to try other methods. I'll put some links in the description of this video so you can check that link, and from there you'll get to know how to install your application on your non-jailbroken iOS 10 device. So coming on to a last question, and it has been asked by Vijay Singh, and he had asked on the Xiaomi Redmi 3S unboxing, and he had asked, sir, can you tell me that after upgrading MIUI 7 into MIUI 8, then is there any problem seen in the phone regarding to the software and any lagging problem? Please reply, because it will really help me in taking the decision of choosing this device. Okay, Vijay Singh, I would say that after upgrading the phone Redmi 3S to MIUI 8, it's much more snappier and fast, but there is a significant battery problem in MIUI 8 comparing it to MIUI 7. The battery backup was much better in MIUI 7 on Redmi 3S, but in MIUI 8 the battery is not that great comparing it to the previous software. And also the RAM management was better in MIUI 7, and the multitasking capability was really better, and the free RAM space after clearing the RAM, it was better in MIUI 7. But still MIUI 8 is a stable update, and you can surely update your device to MIUI 8. And I would say that your decision of having Redmi 3S is really great, and go ahead and purchase the device. It's a decent budget Android device from Xiaomi. So guys, that was the top 10 comments, and I hope I have been able to answer your questions. And if you're still having any problem, then do comment on the comment box down below. I'll be helping you guys in fixing those problems. So that's all for this video, and I hope you liked this video, and if you do so, then do hit the like button down below and also subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.